Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your study abroad budgeting with simple budget easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by determining your total available funds for your study abroad experience. Consider all potential sources of income, including savings, scholarships, and part-time work. Next, break down your estimated expenses into clear categories, such as tuition, housing, food, transportation, and personal expenses. Research the cost of living in your destination city to gain a realistic overview of your monthly budget. Use online cost of living calculators to compare different cities if you have multiple options. Create a spreadsheet to organize your budget clearly. On the spreadsheet, list your income sources at the top for easy reference. Below this, make rows for each expense category you created earlier. Assign a specific dollar amount to each expense based on your research and projections. Be sure to include a contingency fund for unexpected expenses or emergencies. Once your budget is complete, review it to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Consider tracking your spending regularly to hold yourself accountable to your budget. Adjust your budget as necessary to accommodate any changes in your financial situation. If you find you're overspending in certain categories, identify areas where you can cut back. Take advantage of student discounts and local deals to save money while studying abroad. Finally, regularly revisit and refine your budget throughout your study abroad experience. This will ensure you stay on track and make the most of your time and finances abroad. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.